The Instagram algorithm can be a bit tricky and even hard to work out. So in this video, we're going to try and do just that. So the Instagram algorithm, it's a mystery to all of us and frustrating as well. And that leads a lot of us to believe that Instagram is actually hiding our posts. So that's not entirely true because, what we see, it's not actually random. It's the algorithm at work and it's watching everything that we do. So it tracks what we like and what we scroll past and who we message. And it uses all that to decide what appears on our news feed. And equally, it uses that information when we're posting on how many people it pushes it out to as well. So if we're wanting our content to be seen more, we've just got to understand the algorithm and learn what it wants. That said, the Instagram algorithm, basically it's a ranking system, and then it decides what posts users see and in what order they appear. And three areas that they really focus on to decide that is, number one, an interest. How likely is a user to engage with the content we've posted based on their past behaviour? So that's number one. Number two is recently. How recently was our content posted? So the theory is if we're posting more, it's going to trigger the algorithm more. There's greater chance for our post to be seen. So that's a tip. We all should be posting significantly more. And number three on that is engagement. How much interaction our content gets, likes, comments, shares, and saves. So if we're posting great content that users are engagement with, that triggers the algorithm. And I read something recently from the head of Instagram. He said that while TikTok and YouTube are focusing on likes and time spent watching, Instagram is focusing more on shares. So creating shareable content is a really strong indication that will help trigger the algorithm. And there are three pieces of content that the Instagram algorithm is favoring most. So number three in this order is stories. Instagram stories are huge. They drive quick, immediate engagement. Polls, quizzes, questions and answers, and they sit right at the top of our device. So they're very visual. Number two is carousel posts. These are when we get to add multiple images. And these posts increase engagement because a user will spend more time swiping through them left to right, that type of thing. And the number one content feature, this is what we all need to be focusing on. This is what Instagram are telling us they're focusing on and they're desiring more, is Reels, Instagram Reels. They're really pushing hard on this at the moment. They have been for a while. They're in direct competition now with TikTok and equally with YouTube Shorts that got released a year or two ago. Video content is king on all of the social media platforms, and Instagram are telling us Reels, and more Reels. That's the favoured piece of content that they're going to be featuring and preferencing more. We're wanting to focus on creating more shareable content that are Instagram Reels. And if we do that over a period of time, we learn and we improve each time. And before we know it, our Instagram followers are skyrocketing.